Do you know that there are more than a million species of animals living in the ocean? Today we're going to learn some of them. Let's start. Crab, crab, crab. Turtle, turtle, turtle. Eel, eel, eel. Octopus, octopus, octopus. Seal, seal, seal. Stingfish, stingfish, stingfish. Killer whale, killer whale, killer whale. Lobster, lobster, lobster. Clam, clam, clam. Jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. What animal is it? It's crab. Excellent, good job. What animal is it? It's jellyfish. Well done. What animal is it? It's killer whale. What animal is it? It's stingfish. What animal is it? It's clam. What animal is it? It's eel. Excellent, well done. Can you find these words? Can you find the word eel? Here it is. Can you find the word jellyfish? Excellent, good job. Can you find the word crab? Well done. Can you find the word clam? Wonderful. Can you find the word lobster? Good job. Can you find the word seal? Excellent. Can you find the word turtle? Good job. This is the end of our first part of sea animals. Keep on watching and you will find out more.